Difference between borrow and lend. What is the difference between borrow and lend? Borrow means to take or receive something from others with the promise of returning it. ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಾರೋ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, he wants to borrow money from the bank. It means he takes money from the bank temporarily. It means he must pay the money back to the bank. Next example, can I borrow your phone? Next one, my brother borrowed my laptop last night. Next one, lend. It means to give something to someone for a short time or temporarily. For example, I will lend you some money. It means I will give you some money temporarily. Could you lend me your book? She will lend me $5. It means she will give me $5. Last one, I never lend my car to anyone. So remember, borrow means take temporarily, lend means give temporarily. Hope you understood the difference. Thank you for watching.